Guys, November 5th, 2024. This one here I got a call from a lady, actually from her husband. I've worked for her before on her air conditioning, but I guess the husband's there and they got a problem with got a gas boiler there with some zones and doesn't seem to be heating. A couple of spots in the house seems to be working, but not all the zones. So we'll go over there and see if we can figure out why. And see if we can get them fixed. Getting down around 30 degrees at night, so it's getting a little nipply. November. See all the leaves been falling on the trees. That time of year. You gonna vote today?
No.
No.
Do you vote?
I got that mail-in shit. I don't know. They send me this thing to mail-in voting, and
yeah.
they seem they want to get everybody on the mail-in stuff. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that flipping motor is red hot. We tried purging. It's still an issue, so let's just change it. Put another one in there and
it's a good system.
yeah. Leak ham. It's a leak ham.
Yeah.
You ever hear of them leak hams?
Yep. The best. Oh, this is...
It's a burn ham, but they leak all the time, so I call them leak hams.
Oh, they leak, huh? Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. You never heard that?
No.
That's an inside joke. Wow. I don't know if I can come out. Wow. I have to change the whole thing. Yeah.
Certainly better than the one we had in the old house. I don't even know what that was.
No, that was...
That was oil.
we had a house in New Bedford and we have this old oil.
Oh, really?
With the tank and...
You're better off with the gas.
Yeah,
Oh,
well,
yeah.
that's an old house.
Well, so much cleaner, you know?
And then that...
That thing turned on and...
Wow. I don't know if it's going to come off.
All the pipings were steel piping.
Oh, okay, yeah. Wow. Yeah, this thing's flipping red hot. Yeah, better to happen now than when it gets cold out. You got to take your hose off outside. I noticed that was not taken off.
Yeah.
You know what's going to happen? You're going to freeze that outside faucet. Just disconnect it.
I think I have a shut off.
If you were smart, you would.
I had a shut off for it. I shut it off.
No, it's not the shut off. You got to disconnect the hose.
Yep.
Off the outside faucet, or the hose is gonna freeze and expand and blow the inside valve. Yep. That's what they call a frost free. You have to take them off. You have to disconnect the hose from the outside faucet.
Okay.
Up high.
Yep.
When it gets cold out. If not, you're gonna have issues. Believe me, because I change outside faucets continuously come spring, just for that reason. When I came in, I said to your wife, you got to take that outside faucet off. Yeah. Right around Halloween, when it starts getting below freezing at night, they're going to be off. Or you're going to have issues. Yeah, just disconnect it right where it goes into the house, the hose, and then it can't. You know, I don't care about water in the hose. I care about the water in the. When you shut it off, there's like 8 inches inside the house that's supposed to drain out.
Yeah.
So it's frost free. But if there's water in the hose and then that 8-inch piece going outside, it freezes and then splits the inside secondary cylinder that allows the water to come through once the valve's open, and then that'll leak inside only when you turn the hose on.
Yeah.
So it's a very common problem.
I usually do, but I mean this year I've been so busy I kind of overlooked it.
Well, I warned you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah, that's what happens. You know, people get busy with their life and they don't think about it, and you know, they don't realize that there's a problem until next year when they go to turn the hose on again. We'll try this. Hopefully this works. Now, where you from? You're not from the United States.
Well, I've been here for a long time, but originally I'm from Lebanon.
Oh, okay. All right, let's turn it on. Let's see if it leaks. Turn it on. Let's see if it leaks. If it don't leak, we're in good shape. I can purge it. Do my thing. Wire it up. Do this one. Get all the air out, and then I can put this together. It should work now. Yeah, we tried to run that motor. It was red hot. You felt it, right? Yeah. Yellow to yellow, white to white. Yeah, it should. Yeah, last time I was here, I fixed the air conditioner. I put a new exhaust fan motor on it, I believe. And then the fan motor outside was an issue.
Now you do all kind of plumbing or just?
Yeah, plumbing, heat, and AC work.
Plumbing in terms of construction too, like new bathrooms and...
No, I do mostly repair work.
Okay.
Like this, fixing shit.
Yeah.
see what happens here. It should run and heat up now. 40 years. If I don't know what I'm doing by now, I'm in trouble. I got the priority off right now. Get the little zones back on. Right now I got it off priority. I just want to make sure everything's coming back nice and toasty. This one here must be the first floor. I just turned the thermostat upstairs. All these other ones should start coming back warm. That one is for sure. That one is for sure. That one is for sure too. There's one up on the second floor. I don't know if she's running that or not.
Oh, this is in the garage, I think.
That one might be the one. That one's not Colin, the one in the garage?
Right, I think so. Because I don't, you know.
All the other ones are getting warm, so it was the circulator that was an issue. Let's see, man, it's building a little pressure. If this relief valve starts blowing in this bucket here, we might have to change that tank. Keep an eye on it. You said you opened it. That's why
it wasn't any water in it.
There wasn't any water until you opened it. Yeah. Yeah, you need heat, right? Yeah, there's 3 zones. The one above the garage isn't calling yet, or is it? No. Did you turn that one on above the garage? No?
The garage?
The garage is on.
You turned the heat?
Oh, yeah.
No, in the garage.
Oh, the heat in the garage?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I didn't turn that on.
Yeah, that must be this big one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't even know how to turn that on.
Well, we'll make sure this one comes back hot. This is the thermostat I just changed upstairs. Zone 5 is not hooked up yet. We're putting it back to priority for the water tank. So the water tank's going to have to heat up, get satisfied before the other zones kick in. Replace 007 circulator, new thermostat, living room. This one's
like
warm.
Do I have to worry about it?
Yeah, I did see that. It's not really leaking or anything. It's not.
No, I don't.
It don't look the greatest. It was probably leaking at one time and made up.
Okay.
I'd keep an eye on it.
Okay.
I can't fix that today. That's the main water coming in.
Okay, I see.
You want me to unplug this pump, or are you going to leave it plugged in? Right now, you got the pump plugged in,
Yep.
but you got that light disconnected.
Yep. Thank you. Now, I didn't hear the pump going though.
It did when I put water in it.
Oh, you did?
You want to stick your hand down there and pull the flow up, it'll run. There's a flow on the back of that thing. All right, let me show you. There's a flow in the back here. Hear it?
Yep.
You got to pick that float up, simulating that there's water in the pit.
Oh, I see.
But when I first came here,
I see. Okay.
the hell you got here? Giant rat shit? That ain't looking so kosher. Wow. Well, yeah, because if you don't plug it in, it's not going to run, correct?
Looks like it's